So today I'm going to show you how to create an HTML file on your MacBook. So you go to your text edit, then you create a new document. So by default, this is the format that shows up. So we are going to change the format to a plain text. From here you can save your format or your file this way. So I'll call mine 1942 and then I'll create the HTML extension for it. We'll keep this the same way and then you save. You confirm the save over here. So let's see. There you go. We have our HTML file created.